여러분, 니디입니다. 네, 채널로 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. 자, 오늘은 네이밍 코스메틱으로 메이크업을 만들어 보겠습니다. 그럼 먼저 유튜브 구독해주세요. If you think I'm going to speak in Korean the whole video, I'm sorry because I am not going to speak in Korean because I don't know how to. I'm not that fluent. I'm just still learning. So yeah, let's get started. I already put on my skincare and also my primer. I'm going to apply this naming layered cover foundation. I've never tried this before, so I'm going to try with you guys. So the foundation that I picked is in the code 21Y. I'm going to put the foundation at the back of my hand like this. Ooh. I don't know if this foundation matches with my skin. I think it's slightly a little bit lighter. Ooh, but I love the finishing. Ooh. It smells good. I think it's slightly one tone lighter than my skin tone. But yeah. I think it's dewy finish foundation, but to be honest, I love the finishing, but it smells. I don't like, in my preference, I don't like any smell on my products. I picked the wrong shade, guys, but I love the finishing. I'm done with the foundation. Now I'm going to apply this concealer by the same cosmetics. This is a little tip for you guys. You don't have to like put the concealer all over your under eye. Just put a little inside here and then blend the concealer. Just spread the concealer along the under eyes like that, so it won't look cakey and it won't make the under eyes creasing. So right now I'm going to conceal the blemishes on my face using the same concealer. And then I'm using my finger to blend the concealer. I'm going to apply the powder on my face. Of course, on my face. As usual, I'm going to start with the under eyes. I don't know, guys. Is it okay? The foundation is okay after I set the powder? So far, so good. It's a first miss time. Going to fill in my eyebrow. I'm going to use this eyebrow gel first, and then we're going to fill in the eyebrow using the eyebrow pencil. Really love this eyebrow gel because whenever I'm in rush, I'm just fill my eyebrow using this eyebrow gel and all is good. It's time to conceal the eyebrow. I love conceal the eyebrows. It will make your eyebrow look very different. And don't forget to set the concealer using the powder. Now I'm going to do my eyeshadows. I'm using a display color eye palette from Etude House. I think I'm going to go with this color right here. What color is that? Grapefruit tea. Go away brush. I'm going to use my finger because yeah, it works better with fingers. Ooh, the color is pretty. You see that? Right now, I'm going to blend the color using the brush from LM Beauty Cosmetics. I love love to do my eyeshadow long way until here because I have small eyes, so elongate the eyeshadow will make my eyes look bigger. So yeah, so on my under eyes I'm going to use this color right here. I'm just apply at the end of my under eyes right here, not all the way, okay, just at the end of the eye. And then I'm going to use this color right here, the Muscle Mania. It doesn't have any color, but it has very beautiful glitter. I really love this eyeshadow. So I'm going to put all over my eyelid like that. Okay, now I'm going to use this naming dazzling eye glitter in the Good Not Beige. This is the eye glitter. I'm really excited to try this. It has colorful glitter. Oh my god, so pretty. Ooh, so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but my eyes are glittery. I love it. I love glitter so much. Ooh. Wow. I'm just come closer. Can you guys see it? Okay, right now I'm going to contour my nose. We are not done with the eye makeup yet. I'm going to do the eyeliner right now. Today I'm going to use the brown eyeliner. I'm just going to create the wing eyeliner like always, like that. Done. That's it. Like that. And with this small brush, I'm going to smudge the eyeliner. I'm going to curl my lashes. This is the 7-second rules. You curl your lashes like this and then you go up right here. 7 seconds. Technique, go curl and go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now I'm going to put on mascara. Today I'm going to use Seacoat mascara, always on flick. I don't want to use the fake lashes because we're going to go with natural. Not natural what? You go all glitter, Didi. I mean, glitter is the basic me, so this is a tip to how to use the mascara. You go with the beginning of your eyelashes and go zigzag like this. So yeah. Now it's blusher time. I'm going to apply the Naming Fluffy Powder Blush in the code Hello. The packaging is very nice. I really like it. Ooh, pretty. I did swatch on my hand. It doesn't show any color, so I'm a little bit worried, but it's actually look pretty nice on the cheek, so I'm happy. It looks very natural and I really love the feeling of it. I don't know, it doesn't smell, and I love the feeling of it. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just like its name, it's fluff. It's fluffy. I don't know, but it feels lightweight. Yeah. Oh, like it. Oh, nice. I'm going to apply highlighter. Just a little bit of highlighter. The tip of my nose. The Name Cosmetics sent me 3 types of lip products, so I'm going to apply all of them on my lips today. First thing first, I'm going to apply this Naming Soft Matte Lipstick. The color is like this, very pretty. I really like it. I used them before and it turned out very pretty. So I'm going to apply on my lips. I really love the feel of it. It's matte, but it doesn't feel dry at all. So the color is like this, very natural. I really like it. Next, I'm going to apply this lip product. It's Naming Melting Glow Lipstick in the code Fluffy Coral. It's a very bright color. Look at that. I'm going to do the ombre lips. Let's apply here on the inner lips. Ooh, the color is pretty. Last but not least, this one right here is the Naming Dewy Glow Lip Tint in the code Cranky. It doesn't feel sticky at all. So you know some lip tints, they have this sticky feeling, but this lip tint doesn't stick at all. It does smell. I don't know what smell is this. I don't know what is that, but it smells. So yeah, just wanna let you know because some of the people doesn't like any smell on their products. So yeah, so guys, this is the final look, and thank you Nami Cosmetic for sending some of your products to me. I really appreciate it. I really had fun playing with all of the products. If you guys are watching this and you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you guys doing? Go subscribe now before I rotten you. So yeah, I think that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to wear your mask. I hope you guys will have an amazing day today and tomorrow and forever. See you guys in the next video. Annyeong!